Hello there and welcome back to Silverbear's training videos on DotNetNuke. We're going to just have a very quick look at creating microsites. It's a very simple process. Now, we're logged in as a host, so what we're going to do is we're going to hover over host here on the admin control menu here, control bar, and then click on portals. So here we have a list of the portals that correspond to this particular website. Now, if you were using Silverbear's fully integrated membership solution, then these portals would be configured within your CRM system and written over to the web portal via our integration service. If not, the portals can simply be created here within this module here by hovering over the Manage button here, as we've seen before on many occasions. This is effectively another module here, so let's just hover over Manage, Add New Portal. Now we're going to select Child Site, as essentially this will coexist within the current parent website, and that's why, as you can see, we are given the beginnings of the URL here at the top there. So we are literally going to create a child site within this website. So let's add the name of that to the rest of this URL here. So let's just call it new microsite. And let's give it a title. And again, you can use your descriptions and keywords. Now, we must have an administrator account in order to access this new microsite as an administrator, essentially. So, just like when you get a new fresh installation of DotNetNuke, you need to set yourself up with an administrator's account. We have to do the same here. So, let's fill in these required fields here. Okay, so I've got my username here. Obviously you need to make a note of these because you'll need this for logging back into your microsite. Essentially, this website here is going to have its own exclusive security permissions to its parent site. That's why we need to sort of set up this administrative account here. So again, here we must put in a valid email address. And a password. Make sure they match. It's caught me out many times. Now let's create our portal. Now, you wouldn't normally get a rather nasty looking warning message like this, but essentially I haven't configured the email on this test server, hence the warning here. But let's just continue as though that's not the case, and let's access that new microsite that we've just created. So now we have a base .NET site, and if we look at the URL, we can now see that we have the appendage here. I set it up and called it new microsite, so here it is. Okay, and we literally just begin again. If we hover over admin and look at security roles, we'll see that DotNetNuke have provided us with the default security roles that you'll get for a fresh installation there. And we can just manage those, this particular module, add new security roles, as we've seen in previous videos. Okay, let's log out and just log back in using our new credentials to make sure that that's all working nicely. So Dan, log back in, and here we're back into my new microsite there. It's as simple as that. Now, another way of creating a microsite of sorts is by simply adding a new reskinned page or pages to your to your existing website. If you want a landing page for a particular campaign or an event or some such thing, then that would be probably a much easier way of doing it, just creating new pages that are reskinned so that they sort of stand out from your website. But I've just shown you how to create a microsite. So thanks very much for watching. For more information, please contact Silverbear at www.silverbear.com. Bye for now.